getting near the end of the day, and I'll just show you what I've got done today. I've taken all my door handles off, all my lights, switches. I've oil-based undercoated all my skirtings, and also oil-based undercoat around my power points. All my window frames are oil-based undercoat all the way around. So now the reason we actually undercoat around here is because there's a lot of handprints, and the oil-based will stick to that better. As you can see. Now anywhere like we've got kitchen benches, we just tape up. We've got tiles. Now as you can see there, it's a little bit rough there, but that's what I want. I want a nice sound surface. So that was all yellow, so that's had one coat of oil-based undercoat. Now as we just go through, now I think that they actually want this door painted, so that'll all have to be oil-based undercoat as well. I haven't sorted out a price yet for that. Now the doors have been taken off, oil-based undercoat. Anywhere there was gloss enamel, it's been oil-based. Now all these will be sprayed out. So whether we use wash and wear in there, expensive paint, or we use a cheaper paint, we'll see how we go, because they're all got to go white. As you can see there, a little bit of work. I haven't looked at the ceilings yet. They've got a lot of crap and that on them, so I was hoping to do the ceilings today, but that's not going to happen. Sliding doors have all come off, and the actual sliding frames are all in the other thing. These doors haven't been sanded, they're all gloss enamel. You see, I don't know if you can see it. Now this is like 15 or 16 years old. This is gloss enamel after 15 or 16 years. Absolutely beautiful. The sheen on it is wonderful. It's just that it's a little bit old now, but that's what gloss enamel is like after so many years. I've patched the hole down there, which I'm going to be there's 2 coats of base coat on that with tape, and I'm going to put another coat of topping on that shortly. We have put this one here, I've taped it off, and I've put 2 coats of base coat on, and I'll put a final one of finish coat on that as well. Laundry, same sort of thing. All the doors have all come off. Paper and tape down on the tiled areas. You can see there, just so I can get in there nice. Now I've organised a plasterer to do this. I won't be doing it. Now on these tiles here, I've just run some tape around. When I actually gloss that'll prevent any runs running down onto the tiles. Toilets are a bit of a pain in the arse area, but yeah. And as you can see, I've just actually only done that a couple of minutes ago, but you know, that's really only a couple of minutes ago that I've done that one, because what I've done is I took these doors off not long. This is a QD undercoat, quick dry undercoat, so you're only looking at a 10-minute dry time, probably an hour, 2 hour recoat time. Try and do it on the next day would be better. So there's my pot there, as you see. Now we're going to have some trouble here spraying this because it's tiny little areas. But we'll just put a smaller tip in there and go easy. These all have to be sanded with a pole sander, door edges, and rolled a coat of oil-based undercoat. They've got some damages in around the bottom of the doors. Now we had another hole over here that I fixed, so that one there, I'll put another coat of topping on that shortly. Got a lot of stains and mould and stuff coming through the paintwork. This is all the stuff that I've taken off, all the door furniture and stuff, and the sliders that I've taken out. And I've covered everything up. You notice anything that needs covering up gets covered up. Now originally I was just going to spray these frames with a quick dry oil base, but it's all so dirty, the house is so dirty. Now I'll be running over these walls with a pole sander getting all these cobwebs and stuff like that off. Yeah, that's what I've got done for the day. I'm going to keep going for a couple more, probably another hour or something, and then yeah, I wish I knew a little bit more about these doors, because I could oil base undercoat them now. They're just quite nice. I don't really want to paint them if I can get away with it. I'd rather keep it stained. You can see the amount of crap that's in there. There's actually a rubber in here which I want to take out before I paint that. Just going around the edges of it. Just barely to pack up. I've got another hour, I'd say, and then I'll be finished for the day. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next video. Okay, bye.